Are you planning to get braces treatment and have doubts in your mind regarding how uncomfortable they would be? If yes, then let me clear those doubts for you. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Ravneet. I'm an orthodontist by profession. I've been practicing braces and clear aligners for the past 15 years now. The journey with braces treatment comes with its own challenges. But if you are aware as a patient, if you know what to expect from your treatment, it certainly becomes much more easier and comfortable. When the patient comes for the bonding visit, when we put the braces for the patient and post braces instructions are given, the first and the foremost instruction is related to the discomfort that patient might face in the first week with braces. Yes, there is a minor discomfort, but that discomfort will not last very long. You have to be a little patient when we put your braces. In the first 1 week, if there is minor discomfort, pain, it's considered absolutely normal. All you can do is take a painkiller in the form of paracetamol or Crocin pain relief. That should give you immediate relief. It's absolutely normal to have a painkiller in the first week of braces. It'll take away all the discomfort due to the forces that get applied onto the teeth. So if you are prepared and you know that after you wear braces, the few days would come with minor discomfort, it will not give you too much of stress and you would know what to do. The next thing that can happen in the first week with braces is minor cuts and ulcers developing in the mouth due to the newness of the brace. The brace can sometimes rub on the inside of your lip area, the cheek area, cause a bit of laceration on the gum or an ulcer here and there. Again, nothing to worry. It is absolutely normal. What to do in such a scenario? You can definitely apply any over-the-counter ulcer gel like Dolo gel or Zyte, which should be a part of your orthodontic kit. The braces or the wires, they too tend to poke a little. Though we make sure that before you leave the clinic after your bonding appointment, everything is secured, the braces should not hurt you, the wires should not poke you. But then I should remind you, it is a dynamic system in the mouth. When we put braces, the teeth start moving from day one. The teeth movement, the wire and the braces movement can always cause some kind of loosening in the wire. Now, if that happens and the wire starts poking you, again, please don't panic. It's not an orthodontic emergency. We do provide you with orthodontic wax, which you can just roll and put it on the area wherever it is poking you. Mind you, orthodontic wax is super helpful for pokey wires and braces, but it will not help you if there is pain happening due to the braces. So for pain, you have to take a painkiller, wherein if there is a pokiness in the wire or the brace, or if the brace comes loose, you can just secure it with the help of orthodontic wax by putting a thick chunk and pressing it onto the area where it is poking. It's as simple as that. Now comes a word of caution. When you get your braces treatment, cleaning off your teeth becomes a pain. I can tell you, with all the braces and the wires in the mouth, brushing properly with the right technique is imperative. There's no two ways about it. Otherwise, you'll end up having cavities, bad oral hygiene, gum inflammation, and bleeding from your gums. What can we do to make sure that your braces journey goes smooth without having all these cavities and gum issues? One, have the right kind of dental brush in your kit. You should have an orthodontic brush which has got special bristles just to clean your braces properly. Along with that, you can definitely use an interdental brush to clean the in-between surfaces of the teeth, the brace area, around the wire, under the wire. So yes, brushing becomes very, very imperative. Also, you can definitely take an electric toothbrush. If you are too lazy doing manual toothbrushing, electric toothbrush comes in really handy. Brushing thrice daily. Definitely after every meal, it is very important to brush your teeth so that you do not damage your enamel. The next best thing that you can do to prevent enamel damage is to use some kind of tooth mousse. We recommend GC Plus tooth mousse because with braces, you can end up having demineralized areas, which are white spots. We dread white spots. As an orthodontist, I don't want to give you a good smile, but in the end, have all those white and brown spots on the front areas of the teeth, which looks very ugly and comes as a disappointment both for the doctor and the patient. That's why prevention is the key. How can we prevent these white spots? Use GC tooth mousse. Also, we can use fluoride mouthwash and fluoride toothpaste for the entire treatment. It's no problem. So these are the little steps which will help make sure that your braces treatment goes smooth without any damage to your enamel, and also keeping the gum health intact and healthy. Last but not the least, having a water flosser in your orthodontic kit will make sure that your treatment goes flawless. Water flossing comes in very handy with all the braces in the mouth. So yes, you can definitely use the water flosser. You should know the right technique of how to use the water flosser, and it will make your treatment very, very smooth. All in all, as an orthodontist, I suggest my patients to have 5 very important components in their orthodontic kit while undergoing the orthodontic treatment, or even with Invisalign or clear aligners. So whether it's braces or clear aligners, some important things you should always have in your kit whenever you're traveling or back home. The first one is the right kind of orthodontic brush. Then there is the interdental brush, which should be a part of your kit. Then comes in the orthodontic wax, which comes in handy when you're wearing braces for pokey wires. Also, you can have a water flosser. A good water flosser is really helpful. Then fluoride containing gels, mouthwashes, and GC tooth mousse. These are the must-have things in your orthodontic kit, whether you're going for braces or aligner treatment. It'll make the journey very smooth and give you comfort, wherein the thought of discomfort comes with orthodontic treatment. These will come as the soothing aids for you. If you found this content informative and it helped you with the questions that you had in your mind, then do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.